I see. Do you know how I can fix my elytra?
Oh yeah, wait.
It's in the bottom
Okay.
chest.
Wait,
Whoa! She's got the tools.
Okay. Oh, you don't have the mending, that's why.
Yeah.
I haven't, actually, the mending. Guys, do I still have a mending in my house? Oh, no. Wait, it's okay.
Look at my stuff. You have so many things.
Yeah, I
Incredible.
bring the whole house to my ankle. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Oh, 'cause you can put it in the a true blacksmith.
Yeah, blacksmith needs the anvil everywhere, right? So yeah.
Right.
Mhm.
Yeah, you got like a travel size.
Okay.
Thank you. I have
You're welcome.
one rocket. I'm ready to go.
Okay. It's okay.